মাজৰ বগা ৰং সত্য আৰু শান্তিৰ প্ৰতীক, তলৰ সেউজীয়া ৰং উৰ্বৰতা, বিশ্বাস আৰু সৌন্দৰ্যৰ প্ৰতীক, মাজৰ বগা অংশত থকা গাৰ নীলা ৰঙৰ অশোক চক্ৰটো হৈছে আৰু আমন্ত্ৰিত পেৰেড দলসমূহে ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ধ্বজাত চালামি কৰিব। বেটেলিয়ান SFD হাউলি, ইন্সপেক্টৰ GD আয়ুষ চৌহান, 54 বেটেলিয়ান SFD PSD SI নীতিশ কুমাৰ সাইজাৰা, lead by Abdul Jabbar, MCC Salbari College Boys, lead by Prasad Narjari, Flag Commander Habila Bosumotari, MCC Girls Albany College, lead by Nika Boro, Flag Commander Modila Boro. Greenland English Higher Secondary School Boys, lead by Nizigwari, Flag Commander Onsuma Boro. Chaturki Foraijali Girls, lead by Rosmi Musari, Aru Flag Commander Kongkong Boro. Good Shepherd National School Boys, lead by Bijuwari, Flag Commander Ohiji Boro. Good Shepherd National School Girls, lead by Christina Bosumotari, Flag Commander Sujumati Kherpetari. Saint Xavier English School Boys, lead by Rajan Sawari, Flag Commander Mijin Bosumotari. Saint Xavier English School, lead by Dipamoni Boro, Flag Commander Deimun Arjali. Greenland English Higher Secondary School Girls, lead by Priya Boro, Flag Commander Manodi Rama. Chaturki Foraijali Boys, lead by Chaturki Lahari, Flag Commander Onkha Bosumotari. Greenland Higher Secondary School Girls, lead by Onamika Boro, Flag Commander বৰ্ণালী বসুমতাৰী শালবাৰী Senior Secondary School Girls led by Bhagyashree Goyari, Bijurthi Goyari. Halbari High Secondary School Boys led by Divan Bosumotari, Flag Commander Bipul Wari. Halbari High Secondary School Girls led by Daisy Sorgiari, Flag Commander Ritumani Sorgiari. Rupohi High Secondary School led by Zubangi Bosumotari, Flag Commander Bonkina Ramsiari. Halbari Girls High School led by Seema Musahari, Flag Commander Dipanjali Kherkatari. Our Khodorpot Parade Band, Zutiabhabe Gupsafar National School, Aru Greenland English Higher Secondary